Hello everyone, this is Shanti Shirsat from Information Technology Department. Today we learn about some new network components devices or controlling devices, that is bridge, repeaters and gateway. Learning outcomes. Network control and connecting devices like bridge, repeater and gateway, and wireless infrastructure components, that is access points and client. This is the working of bridge. How bridge connect the LAN segment, that is small LAN segments are connected to each other with the help of connecting device, that is bridge. Bridge is a hardware device for linking two networks that work with same protocol, means that follows the same rules. It is a bridge. Network bridge reads the outermost section of the data on the data packet to tell where the message is going only, means it reads only address part. Bridge can divide the large network into smaller segments, and then these smaller segments communicate or transmit the data with the help of bridge connecting device. It has a table, that is bridge table, used in filtering decision. Working of bridge. Bridge creates the function table with machine's address, that is hardware address, and the segment they belongs to, and listens to the data running through the segment. When the data is transmitted, bridge checks the functional table for the segment. The sending and receiver computer belongs to which address, that is physical address called MAC address and not the IP address. It means bridge works with only hardware address. If they belongs to the same segment, the bridge does nothing. Otherwise, it switches the data over the destination computer segment. If the sender device and receiver device both from same network segment, then bridge does nothing. But if both sender and receiver are available in different segment or different LAN network, then bridge transmit the data from one segment to the another segment with the help of hardware address. Advantages and disadvantages of bridge. Advantage: self-configuring. Bridge are simple and significant, used to interconnect two LAN. Bridge can reduce the amount of network traffic on the segment. Disadvantages of bridge: does not limit the scope of broadcast, does not scale to extremely large networks, bridge are more expensive than repeaters, bridge are slower than hubs and repeaters. Next component is repeater, that used to regenerate the signal when it transmits from source to destination. Repeater is an electronic device that operates on physical layer of the OSI model, that is the first layer of OSI model. It is a network device that retransmits the received signal with more power to an extended geographical or topological network boundary that what could be the capable with original data or signal. Repeaters amplify the received or input signal to the higher frequency domain so that it is reusable, scalable and available. Since a signal lost strength as it passes along the cable, it is often necessary to boost the signal with device called repeater. Types of repeater, that is amplifiers and signal generating, which simply amplifies the entering incoming signal along with noise, and signal regenerating, it amplifies only data signal, not amplifies noise signal. Advantage and disadvantages of repeater. It is very least expensive for expanding a network. They can connect different types of transmission media. It can extend the network. It can generate or regenerate the desired information. Disadvantage of repeaters: there is a limit to the number of repeaters that can be used to extend the LAN length and topology. If network traffic is heavy, then repeater is not supported. It can operate only in the physical layer. Next topic is for connecting devices, gateway. It works on all 7 layers of OSI model. It is a network device which interconnects two heterogeneous networks. It is connectivity link between two networks that uses dissimilar protocols and architecture. It is a network element that acts as an entrance point to another network. For example, an access gateway is a gateway between telephony network and other networks such as internet. It is generally a workstation or a server. Gateway, which is used to connect overall or worldwide area network, that is some computer LAN or corporate LAN, and public in ISDN, that is internet switch digital network. The figure shows the working of gateway. Consider the two network. One is from Pune and another is from Mumbai. If the data has to be trained from one place to another, we need to ensure that the network technologies that are being used by both the networks are the same. If not, then we use the gateway, because all other devices work with same protocols and work with same rules and same technology, but gateway used to connect the two networks which completely work on different technologies. Gateway is the node in a computer network, a key stopping point for data on its way to or from other networks. Advantages of gateway: used to expand the network. We can connect to different types of network. It is a server, so it provides some security. It allows the communication between two dissimilar network protocols. Two dissimilar networks, it supports two dissimilar technologies. Disadvantages of gateway: these are slow because they need to perform intensive conversations. Not an intelligent device, so noise prevention is not done. Never filter out the data, and protocol conversation is done, so transmission rate is slower. Next topic is wireless infrastructure component, that is access points and clients. This is wireless network component, that is mobile phones, laptop, computer with wireless network interface, and access point, that is router. And with the help of this access point, that is router, we connect to the network. Wireless networking technologies connect the multiple computers, systems and devices together without requiring wires or cables. A wireless LAN networks or WLAN, that is wireless local area network, comes under the Wi-Fi, that is wireless network from a wireless LAN within a limited area such as home, school, computer laboratory, campus, office building, etc. This gives the users the ability to move around within the area and yet still be connected to the network. Most modern wireless network communications are based on IEEE 802.11 standards and are marked under the Wi-Fi brand name. Wireless client or station. Devices such as computers, tablets, phones are common clients on the network which are shown in our figure. When you are accessing the wireless hotspot or the router in your home or office, your device is the client. This client mode is also known as station mode as well. Access point. Most wireless networks are made using the access point. Device. Access point is the device that hosts and controls the wireless connection for laptop, for mobile phone, your smartphones and tablet. If you use the Wi-Fi in your home or office, it most likely through an access point, that is your router. When router is set up as an access point, it is said to be a master or infrastructure mode. An access point is sometimes a stand-alone device that bridges between wireless and wired network or is a part of your router. Thank you guys. All these are connecting device, and wireless and connecting device are we learn in this previous all session. In next session we start about connecting device and topologies. Thank you.